If you want to lock apps on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in these settings, we're gonna scroll down until you find security and privacy. Then we're gonna scroll further down and we need to go to more security settings and we need to use the secure folder to be able to lock apps. So go over here, press continue, then tap on more and then next to grant permissions. And now we need to wait a short while to let the phone create the secure folder for us. After that, you need to set up the password for the secure lock. So you can either choose pin password or pattern. You can also enable fingerprints as well. However, to do so, we also need to have one of these passwords, of course. So I'm gonna set up a simple pin code. So let's say I'm gonna choose this code up here. If it's easy to guess, then of course you will see this information, but we can use it anyway. So enter your password twice in order to confirm it. And there we go. So let's press continue and then fingerprints as well. And you can register your fingerprint after that if you decide to use it, of course. So let me quickly do that. You also have this option that allows you to reset the password with a Samsung account. So in case you forget the password, you can simply recover it with your Samsung account. If you want to, you can allow that. If not, then just press don't allow. And then we can proceed by pressing next. Over here, we can choose what happens when the secure folder is locked. So you can allow background activity while the secure folder is locked. But in my case, I'm going to actually choose close all apps while locked. And there we go. Here we have our secure folder. Now, in order to lock an app, what you can do is you can press this plus button in order to add an app. You can also download new apps from the Play Store or Galaxy Store in case you need to, if you don't have it yet. But let's say we're gonna stick with apps that we already have installed. So I'm gonna choose, let's say, Instagram and maybe Spotify. Let's say I want to lock these apps. So I'm gonna add them to the secure folder. And of course, now if I want to open them, I will have to go to the secure folder first. The secure folder is located in the app drawer by default, so you can find it over here. If you try to go over here, then you will need to unlock it. But as you may notice, we still have Instagram and Spotify over here in the app drawer, and that is because we do not actually move these apps from our phone to the secure folder. We just create separate instances. So these are like duplicated versions of these apps, which means that you will have to set them up again. So you will have to log into your accounts and so on and so forth in order to be able to normally use them. Of course, we can still hide these apps. There is an option that allows you to hide apps, but there are still some ways to find them. At the same time, if you will be locked out of these apps, then of course, most likely you won't mind that. So in the secure folder, as you can see, we can add whatever we wish to keep locked. And besides that, we can tap on these three dots over here on the right side. And let's go to settings, because over here I want to show you one thing. We can go to auto lock secure folder. And over here we have a couple of options how we want to lock the secure folder. So by default is when the screen turns off. You can also set a timer or when phone restarts. So you might want to change that. You can also find some different options like hide apps over here. Like I mentioned, there is also lock and exit, so you can exit the secure folder so that whenever you try to open it, you will have to enter the password. For some reason it was bugged. Let's see if it actually works. I don't know why this happened. There we go, it works again. And we can even hide the secure folder. It is of course important to read how to actually find it after that. And of course, we can customize the app icon itself as well, so it doesn't have to be named as secure folder. In the auto lock secure folder in the past, there was also an option that allowed you to lock the secure folder whenever you exit the app, but unfortunately, it seems that this option is now missing for some reason. So I'm not sure why. You can also create shortcuts for these apps, so you can add them into the home screen. So if you press and hold your finger on them, then you have add to home. There we go. So you can access them like this as well. So a little bit inconvenient that we have to lock and exit now manually, that we cannot set it up like we used to. Maybe if we enable this option, no, it doesn't make any difference. Nevertheless, this is how we can lock the access to our apps of our choice. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.